Today we will show you how to correctly use one of the largest machines produced by NKO machines, the UZ29 Speeder, step by step. We will achieve a maximum bevel width of 29 millimeters in 4 precise steps. The machine comes with 2 angular arms, positioned at 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Thanks to the precise 3D manipulator, we can comfortably use the machine for both very long sheets and small workpieces that we insert into the machine. To calculate the cutting plan, we recommend using beveling solver. In the section for calculating the cutting plan, we will enter the values from the sample example. First, we will set the material strength. Next, we will set the thickness of the material. Angle of obliquity. And the bevel height. We will carry out this operation very carefully in 4 steps. As has already been stated, we will create the required bevel in 4 distinct steps today. We will gradually and carefully enter the values from column C on the scale mounted on the side of the angular arm now. Now we will enter the value for the first step, following the established sequence. First, we will slowly loosen the screw for the main roller to allow precise adjustment. By means of the adjustment screw, we accurately and carefully set the value for the initial cut, namely 15 millimeters. All set by Contramatic. We will once again carefully precisely tighten the main roller screw. Depending on the chosen bevel angle, we will always adjust the position of the upper pressing strip so that it remains perpendicular to the plane of the main supporting roller, in order to ensure proper alignment in all cases. First, we loosen the locking screws, and then very carefully set the correct position, which is defined by the detent pins. Careful! Don't forget to tighten securing bolts of the upper clamp strip mechanism properly again. The 3D manipulator mechanism lets us set the machine's position to match the workpiece's orientation while being machined. First, the machine's tilt. Following that, the height. And as the final step, we will adjust the position of the upper clamping strips now. We will securely fix her position. Let us perform a precise miter cut. With a gentle, steady pull, we guide the machine onto the workpiece. Attention! The precise guiding ruler must always stay firmly in contact with the machined edge of the sheet metal. On the C scale, set the value for the second cut. Loosen the center bolt of the main roller, and with the adjusting screw, set the value of the second cut according to the cutting plan calculation. Don't forget to secure it with a lock nut, retighten the center bolt of the main roller, and adjust the position of the upper pressure strips. That was the second cut indeed. In the next 2 cuts, we adjust the machine in the same way. The processing of small sheets is also standard practice indeed. If you need to change the bevel angle, for example, to 30 degrees, it is necessary to replace the entire bevel arm. During the course of the work with the machine, there will be moments when the tool must be withdrawn, whether because of grinding or because it needs replacement. Let us show how to do it. A damaged milling cutter can either be replaced or be sharpened. Note that when sharpening, we reduce the thickness of the tool itself. This loss must be properly compensated with the attached washers. Use one or a combination of compensating washers to carefully achieve the original thickness of the new tool. Please bear in mind that the final thickness, including the washers, must not exceed the original thickness of the new tool. In conclusion, here is a small practical tip for the more demanding user. The input guide ruler has two positions that adjust the distance between the cutting tool and the ruler itself. In general, the thicker the material, the larger the gap between the tool and the ruler, in practice. If for any reason the machine's feed along the material is not smooth and the machine binds on the material, one possible reason may be an incorrect position of the guiding ruler in everyday use. The correct ruler alignment also influences the tool's overall lifespan. Of course, with this machine, it is also possible to perform a two-sided bevel. The machine settings are exactly the same. I hope this video has helped you, and you can find more information on our site or in the manual. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.